What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today's video is all about Amazon, and in this one I'm going to be trying out Amazon's most wished for products. I have actually done a couple of these videos on my channel already, so I'll have them linked in the eye if you guys want to check it out. But basically I go onto the Amazon's most wished for tab and I pretty much have a little wander through all the different categories. For today's video I picked up things from 4 different categories, and together we're going to see if these are worth the hype and whether these are rightfully in people's wish lists. If you guys are new here and you haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see me try out some of these most wished for products, then without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first category we're going to be exploring is actually called the health and personal care category. When I clicked on this one, there was a lot of like shavers, toothbrushes, that kind of thing, which is to be expected. Whenever I do these videos, I mostly pick up one of the items from the top 10 products, basically just one that really piques my interest the most. So for this category in particular, the one that really grabbed my attention was definitely number 2, and that was the High Smile color correcting toothpaste. I have actually seen this product on TikTok and Instagram, and mostly they come up as like one of those sponsored posts, so I never really knew if it was worth the hype. I also never know if the reviews online are like real or if people are just being paid to promote this product. So I thought I would try it out for myself. So here is the product. I feel like a lot of people have been really wondering whether this works or not. It's called the color correcting serum. It's not actually a toothpaste, just so you guys know. It's more of like a color corrector, like how you get it for your hair when your hair is brassy, but this is for your teeth. This product claims to get rid of the more yellowy hues that people have in their teeth. My teeth are definitely not perfect, so I am really keen to try this out. This product was £15.20, so definitely not the cheapest product, but it does come in quite a large package. This is a 30ml bottle, so it probably will last me a while. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm really excited to see if this works, so let's go ahead and try it out. Alright guys, so we're now in my bathroom and we're going to be trying out the High Smile color corrector. This is what my teeth look like before. I mean, they're not the whitest teeth, but I don't think they're that bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush my teeth with this, and we're going to see if this does anything. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth with it. It was literally so freaking purple. One thing I have to say is that this literally goes everywhere and it stains your sink. So you have to rinse your sink straight away because I feel like it's kind of stained mine. Anyway, here is my result. I don't think it actually looks any different in my opinion. What do you guys think? Do you think this works? I can't really tell the difference. So maybe this would work after a couple of uses, but after just one, I don't think there's that much drastic difference. So on the scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna rate this product like a 5 out of 10. Alright, so now moving on to the next category, we're gonna be going into the fashion tab. So I specifically went into the most wished for in women's fashion just to kind of narrow it down a little bit for myself, and honestly a lot of the things that were like in the list, especially the top 10, I was just like, this is so not my style. Not that there's anything wrong with them, but personally I just would not wear these things. So the only thing that really kind of drew my attention was number 1, and this was the women's Skims dupe basic crop top. I wear things like this all the time and it claims to be like a dupe for Skims, so of course I bought it. Here it is. This top was £18, so let's see what kind of quality this is and why people are putting this in their wish lists. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like. It's a very simple cream kind of t-shirt, but the only thing about it is it's made of like a really sort of like bikini slash swimsuit kind of fabric. I don't really know how to describe it. All I can say is that it's very, very stretchy and just very like buttery smooth. I really like this fabric. Okay, I realized what this is made out of now. It's 85% nylon and 15% spandex, which is what's giving it that stretchiness. I actually really, really like this. I think it's a very simple top, but I feel like with a pair of jeans and like a nice necklace, it could totally be spiced up. So I guess let's pop it on and see if it's really a Skims dupe. Here is what the top looks like on. I have to say, this is kind of a vibe. Considering how little we paid for this, it actually does feel quite premium. I don't really like how it sits on my shoulders though. It kind of like bunches up right here. I have to say, I have tried my fair share of Skims clothing, and I do have to say this kind of does feel like a Skims piece of clothing. I have to say, I have tried my fair share of Skims clothing. If you haven't seen my various videos about Skims, I'll have them all in the eye. But honestly, this does kind of feel like it could be from Skims. Like the fabric is very, very nice. It's very stretchy and breathable and just so comfy. I'm sorry, I'm gonna need this top in all the different colors. I can totally see why people are putting this in their wish lists. It's just so basic, but so good. I am giving this item a 10 out of 10. All right, now moving on to the next category, we're going into beauty, which is my personal favorite. There was quite a lot of really good products in this list. For example, at number 4, we have the Maybelline Eraser Concealer, which is honestly one of my favorite concealers ever. We also have the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, which I have used in a previous video. I think it was like a TikTok kind of video. But the product that really drew my attention was at number 2, and that is the Isla Dye Brow. It's an eyebrow dye kit in dark brown. Oh my gosh, that was such a tongue twister. This was only £5 and I have it right here. Lately, I've been seeing so many really satisfying videos on Instagram Reels of people like dyeing their brows and like just having like a really nice stained kind of brow look. Also, I hate doing my brows, so if this works like it claims, then I'm hoping it's gonna really save me a lot of time when I get ready. It says this will last up to 6 weeks. It's under 15-minute application and you can get up to 12 applications from just one box. To be honest, I have nothing to lose, so let's go try it out and see if it works. Okay, so I've opened up the kit and this is what we have inside. We actually have 3 different things. We have the color cream, we also have the activator cream, and then we have a little spoolie to apply it with. I've just read the instructions and it seems pretty easy. You're supposed to use 1 centimeter of each product. That's kind of like how you get the quantities correct. You then just mix it together and then you apply it to your eyes and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and it should be nice and tinted. It says to work on one eye at a time and I'm so impatient. I'm gonna do both at the same time and then just let it sit all together at once. Okay, so first up I'm taking the cream color and I'm putting 1 centimeter of that. I'm then taking the activator cream and also putting 1 centimeter of that. And when we've got something like this, I'm now just gonna use the end of my spoolie and mix all of this together. Now it actually says to apply a barrier of cream just to make sure that your skin doesn't get stained. So I'm just gonna do that now. But you wanna make sure the cream doesn't touch your eyebrows, otherwise it's not gonna work. All right, so I'm now gonna grab the spoolie and mix it into this little mixture. By the way, these are my eyebrows before. Okay, here it goes. Let's brush this through. I'm actually kind of scared. I've never done an eyebrow tint on myself. I wonder if this is gonna stain my skin as well, because that would be kind of nice, especially where I've got some sparse areas in my eyebrows. I've got this really sparse area of my eyebrow right here. Can you guys see that? I'm hoping I can kind of fix that with this stain. All right, so I've fully applied the solution. This is kind of what I'm left with. It doesn't look that bad, I think. I tried to really fill in some of my sparse areas on the sort of like tails of my brows, so hopefully we will see some results in 10 minutes time. All right, so it's been a little over 10 minutes. We're now gonna take it off with a wet makeup wipe, so let's do it. I'm kind of scared. I really don't want these to be too dark. They are looking very, very dark. Oh no. Oh god, some of my eyebrows are literally falling out. What the hell? Okay, so from what I can see on this side is the fact that my eyebrow has just gone pretty much black, but it hasn't really tinted like my skin, which is what I was sort of hoping for. It's literally only just made my actual hairs darker, so this only really works if you've already got quite full eyebrows. If you've got some sparse areas like I do here, I don't think this really is for you. Okay, let's see. That little sparse area here. Did it do anything? I mean, a little bit, I guess. I still kind of have that bold patch there though, so I don't think it's really meant for like tinting your actual skin, which is a little bit of a shame because I've recently seen some like eyebrow tints that actually do stain your skin for a little while, so that's kind of disappointing. Okay, I feel like this brow looks a lot better on the arch. Like it's actually kind of stained a little bit of my skin there, which is good. Also, after tinting my brows, I feel like they're almost like laminated now. They're very, very straight, and I feel like I can brush them up in whatever direction I want. I mean, look at this. Usually my eyebrows are not this malleable. I feel like I can really brush them straight. So yeah, these are my results. This is the after. What are we thinking? I feel like tint-wise, they're definitely a lot darker, but they don't look much fuller in my opinion. So I'm gonna give this product like a 7 out of 10, I think. All right, so moving on to the next category. This is kind of like a branch off from the beauty category. However, this is more specific. It is makeup. In makeup, there was a couple of crossovers. We had the Isla Brow Kit in number 6. So I thought, let's not try that again. Let's try something different. So once again, I went for number 2, seeing as I've already tried number 1, and that's my Maybelline concealer. But I've never tried the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, I'm pretty sure. So this particular listing comes with both of the mascaras. We have the day one and the night one, which I'm pretty sure is literally just a waterproof version of it. Anyways, I'm a little bit concerned because they are not sealed. Like there is no like plastic closing these, so anyone could have just like opened them at any point and just used them. That kind of scares me. I do not want pink eye, so pray for me. Either way, these mascaras are raved about so much on TikTok. I've been seeing them for so long, but I've just never gotten around to trying them. So let's try them out and let's see what we think. All right guys, so let's try out these mascaras. I have already curled my lashes. I'm just gonna come a little bit closer and let's apply this mascara together. So I'm just starting off at the root and just wiggling up the wand, and actually this has a really nice wand that's easy to work with. I personally really like thin wands like this, so you can really get in there, especially at the ends of your lashes where it's a little bit tighter. Okay, I can definitely see why people are loving this mascara. Look at that length already. Okay, are you kidding? This mascara is so nice. Let's do the lower lashes as well. Okay, so that's that eye finished with the regular sort of daytime mascara. I'm now gonna try out the nighttime one on the other eye. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this one is any different. It's got exactly the same wand from what it looks like. So honestly, I think this is just a change in formula. I'm pretty sure this is the waterproof one. It's so good at coating the lashes. I honestly love this. So are we seeing a difference, or do they look exactly the same? I think they look the same. So let's just do the bottom lashes as well. Okay, so here are both of the eyes now done. I have to say I'm very impressed with these mascaras. I can totally see why people are raving about these and adding these to their wish lists. I have to say I'm very impressed with how long this has made my lashes look, so I'm gonna give this product a 10 out of 10, and I'm definitely gonna be using it every day now. Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing these products being put to the test. Let me know which one of these products was your favorite. Honestly, I love doing these videos so much, so if you guys want to see any more, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I love you guys so much, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!